Today I am going to start a new chapter, which is fourth, India, the Western Desert. So let's start. So students, this picture is of Maharana Pratap, a king of Mewar, a desert kingdom, who fought against the Mughal armies of Akbar. There are legends and history about him and his famous horse Chetak. Students, towards the west of the northern plains lies a vast area covered with a thick layer of loose sand. This region is called the Western Desert or the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. It is in Rajasthan state. As you can see in this map, this region is surrounded by the Satluj River in the northeast, the Aravalli Range in the east, the Indus River in the west, and Rann of Kutch in the south. So students, now let's talk about the landforms. So the eastern part of the Western Desert is rocky, while western part is under loose sand. The low hills of sand are called sand dunes, which can be moved by strong winds. The dust storms are quite common in such areas. The eastern part is drained by a number of short seasonal streams. The Luni is the only seasonal river which flows through a western desert, right? And at some places, the underground water comes to the surface through a spring. This area is called an oasis. The villages in the desert areas are situated near the oasis. If we are talking about climate and vegetation, so students, the desert region is very hot during the daytime and cool at night. This is because the sand heats up quickly during the day and cools down fast at night. The nights are very cold during the winter season. There is little or no rainfall. The plants cannot grow in dry, sandy soils. We find only scattered bushes and thorny shrubs. The plants also have long roots. The shortage of water in these kinds of areas is the main problem in the western desert of India, right? The women have to bring water from far off places even for domestic use. The government is working on a project to supply water not only for domestic use but also for irrigation the farm. I think you all should know that the Indira Gandhi Canal or Rajasthan Canal has been built to bring water from the Satluj River. Some parts of the Rajasthan Canal are still under construction. This is the longest canal in the world, right? Don't forget this point. The canal will provide water to the dry areas of Ganganagar, Bikaner and Jaisalmer. Now, the farmers in these areas are able to grow wheat, jowar, bajra and vegetables. Students, I think you all are thinking that the life of people in the western desert areas is comfortable or not comfortable. So, students, the life of people in the western desert areas is not comfortable. This is due to harsh climate conditions. This region is sparsely populated. Most of people live in small villages and most of them are near oases. Here, water is easily available for domestic and agriculture purpose. If you are thinking about the occupation, that what the people are doing there and from where they get means earn money. So there the main occupation is animal rearing such as sheep, goat, cattle and camels. People are mostly on the move in search of water and food. These people are called Banjaras, and if we say what we call Banjara in English, so it called nomads. The people are skilled craftsmen and do stonework, embroidery, greenery work and making jewelry, etc. there. In desert areas, the camel is the most important animal, right? It can live without water for many days and we walk easily on sand. Why? Because camel is called ship of desert, right? The people traveling on camel in groups from a caravan. The camel is popularly called the ship of the desert. It is used for pulling carts, plugging the fields and also as a beast of burden. Its milk and meat is used as food. This skin is used for making tents and hair for making clothes and carpets. The water from the Rajasthan canal helps is growing wheat, maize, jowar, bajra, cotton, vegetables, etc. And students, the presence of minerals has encouraged quarrying and mining. Students, what is the capital of Rajasthan? So, Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan and the largest city of the Indian state of Rajasthan. And it is also called Pink City. Why it is called Pink City? It is called Pink City because for its trademark building color, right? Now let's talk about the dressing sense and languages and festivals of Rajasthan. So students, the people like to wear colorful cloths or dresses. The men like to wear dhoti kurta. The women like to wear ghangra choli and especially odni to cover the head. And the houses in the western desert have thick walls and flat roofs to keep them cool during the day and warm at night. Some houses have underground tanks and for storing water. The people mostly speak Rajasthani and Hindi languages in Rajasthan. The main festivals are Teej, Gangor, Holi, Dashehra, Diwali and Eid. And the main folk dances are Ghumar, Chari, Kajchi Gori, etc. Students, these tourists from different parts of India and world come to Rajasthan especially during the desert festival. The state has several forts, palaces and temples which are worth seeing. The palace on wheels take the tourists to different of the state. Jaipur, the Pink City, is the capital of Rajasthan as I already told you about, and the Dwara temple in Mount Abu is famous for its marble carvings all over the world. So students, now focus on the new terms which we used in this chapter. So the first one is desert. So what is it? A desert is an area which loose, scent and hot and dry climate. And the next is sand dunes. So what is it? Low hills of sand in a desert. So next is nomads. So see in this picture, is the first one, the group of people who move from place to place in search of water and food. The second one is oasis. So what is it? It is an area in the hot and dry desert where underground water comes to surface through a spring. With the help of this picture, you can more understand that what is caravan. So it is a group of camels moving across the desert. last paragraph of the chapter, I told you that the Palace on Wheels takes the tourists to different parts of the state. So, there is a term which we used which is Palace on Wheels. So, what is it? It is a luxury train mainly for foreign tourists. So, this is all about this chapter. Go through with this video again and again and clear your doubts.